Hi everyone, this is Jurga again. I am the owner of Lanphier Day Spa in Darien, Connecticut. Today I wanted to share with you my evening skin routine and some of my favorite products that I am currently using. Note, I change my skin routine based on the season, based on my skin needs, so it's not always the same thing. I like to try different things to experiment and see what's working, what's not, what's giving me better results. So don't get stuck to one thing all the time. Don't be afraid to change things up, and also pay attention what your skin is telling you, what your skin is thirsty for, and those are the products that you should be looking for. So let's get into it. So one of my favorite products that I honestly always have throughout all the seasons, but I love to use that more in the cold season and the winter time, is Dr. Dennis Gross perfectly dosed retinol pads. I love them because there is no product that I found yet that changes my texture, that closes my pores and makes my skin so smooth in the morning when I'm using these pads. They are available at Lanphier. They come in a box. I threw the box, I don't have it anymore, but they look like this. So once you take out of the packet, it's a perfect dose of the retinol that is soaked in this cotton pad. And right now my skin is clean. I have nothing on it, and I'm just simply gonna proceed by taking it with my fingers and starting to run in the wet motion, like from the middle of the face. It had like a little bit of a tingling feel to it, which is normal. That's what it's supposed to be. Once you start using them, you don't use them more than once or twice a week, and then you can switch to 3 times a week if you feel your skin can tolerate. So again, you do just maybe, 5 passes or so in a very gentle motion. Do on the neck as well. And like I said, currently I'm feeling like a little bit of tingling, and that is normal. That's what it's supposed to feel like. Avoid going close to the eye, so just around the eyes. And I try to focus on the areas where I have more of the brown spots. And obviously don't skip the neck. So that's the beauty of these pads. The product is literally getting absorbed onto your face, and then you just toss them out, and for the next day, in the 2 or 3 days, however often you would choose to use them, you grab another pad and use it again. So I personally like to wait. I like to wait probably like 5 to 10 minutes before I apply anything on my skin, just to let all the goodness to work into the skin. And then I layer my regular skincare routine for the night, whatever normally I use. And your night routine after using the retinol pad would be as normal. After you allow all of that goodness to kick in and do its job, you just proceed to other products, and you would start with your serum for the face. The next product would be your eye cream around the eyes, and then the night cream or whatever cream you are using for your night routine, and your skin would be ready for the night. I'm gonna add a detailed description of the retinol pads that I used today in the video, with the price on it, that you could see the cost, you could see where you can come and purchase it if you would like to try. If you have any questions about the product, feel free to ask underneath of the video. We'll be happy to answer. Don't forget to subscribe because there's a lot of fun videos coming in the near future, and it's every week. You will get a lot of tips on all the products that are available at Lanphier. And we look forward to seeing you on the next video or at Lanphier in Darien. See you next time.